Welcome to the information video about Gumax glass sliding doors from Tuinmaximaal. The glass sliding doors can be used under all Gumax brand verandas and carports, but also under other brands. Furthermore, glass sliding doors can be used under, for example, wooden log cabins, wooden verandas, on balconies, but also indoors. A glass sliding door from the Gumax brand is a solid system, as it consists of sliding doors made of 10mm thick tempered glass. If a glass door were ever to break, it would shatter into thousands of tiny pieces. The doors themselves are always 98 centimeters wide. The glass sliding doors are available in different height and length sizes. In terms of height, sizes range from 1 meter and 98 centimeters to 2 meters and 72 centimeters. In terms of length, systems are available from 1 door up to 6 doors. The maximum length with 6 doors is 5 meters and 88 centimeters. The glass doors are in a glass profile that slides over the bottom rail. The bottom rail incorporates a drain for the water, so the water always flows away towards the outside. At the top, the glass panels sit in a guide profile. The glass sliding doors are available in 2 textured paint colors: matte white, RAL 9016, and matte anthracite, RAL 7016. The total length by which you shorten the rail is also your overlap. If you divide this number by the number of panels minus 1, you get the overlap per panel. For example, if you have shortened a 5-rail system to a length of 4 meters and 82 centimeters, you will have shortened 8 centimeters. 8 centimeters divided by 4 is 2 centimeters of overlap per panel. We always recommend a minimum overlap of 1 centimeter per panel to prevent drafts. Before installing Gumax glass sliding doors, it is important that the ground on which the doors are to be placed has a foundation and is level. The foundation should be able to support at least 390 kilos per linear meter. Tuinmaximaal offers aluminium foundation columns that allow you to create a fully level foundation for the glass sliding doors. You can close off your veranda at the front and/or sides with glass sliding doors. To install glass sliding doors on the sides of the veranda, you need to use 8-degree wedges for glass sliding doors. This way, the glass panels are fully enclosed. You can easily create an open passage by moving the sliding doors to the left or right. Adding accessories such as door handles, weather strips and decorative strips will complete your glass sliding doors. With Gumax door handles, you avoid fingerprints on the glass panels. Both a door handle and a decorative strip can be fitted on one side of a glass sliding door, with the decorative strips being divided into 2 parts. Installing weather strips where the glass panels overlap will protect against drafts, wind and mosquitoes. As a finishing touch, decorative strips can often be placed on the remaining sides of the glass panels. You can also expand your glass sliding doors with U-profiles to be placed against the wall or against the support structure. Combined with the weather strips, this will protect against drafts and mosquitoes. In a 6-rail system, U-profiles are always needed at the support structures. This is because the rail system is wider than the support structure. If you want to use glass sliding doors at the front of your veranda, it is recommended to choose modern support structures for a classic veranda with a width of 5 meters and 6 centimeters or 6 meters and 6 centimeters. In this case, the overhead rail of the rail system fits better with the modern uprights. Should you have any further questions regarding this information video, you are always free to contact our customer service team.